How to make playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to actually make a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch a Spotify application and make sure that you're signed into the account. After you do that, you want to make sure to tap the Your Library option here, tap on playlist, and you can see all your current playlists. But if you want to create a new playlist, tap the plus icon from the top right hand side, and at the bottom select the playlist option as you would find it here. So tap on plus icon, tap on playlist, simply give your playlist a name and then tap the create option. You can also choose a cover picture for your playlist, and you can add songs to your playlist by just tapping on add to this playlist, adding the songs that you would like to add to your playlist here. If you want to delete the playlist, tap the three dots and then just tap on delete playlist option. This way you can make playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.